Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack publisher account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Twitter pixel ID to your Substack publisher account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Twitter pixel ID to your Substack account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track conversions. And by linking your Twitter pixel ID to your Substack, it helps track those conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack publisher dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack and this is the dashboard. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you do have to have your Twitter pixel ID copied to your notepad. If you need help finding that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you already have your Twitter pixel ID ready. Once you have that, here in the Substack dashboard, you're going to click on settings here on the top right. Once you click on settings, you're going to see this drop down menu here on the left, and you want to click down here towards the bottom, this button here called analytics. Once you click there, you'll see these different options, and you want to look for this box here, Twitter pixel ID. So you're just going to go ahead and click here into the box and then paste it in. Once you paste it in, go ahead and click on save. Once you click on save, then the Twitter pixel will start tracking conversions. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Twitter pixel ID to your Substack publisher account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.